Hey everyone, welcome back to the
Did your
channel.
Samsung
If you're watching this
F14
video,
suddenly stop
your
playing sound
Samsung
through the
A05
speaker,
is
and
probably
now you
stuck in
see a
headphone mode.
symbol on
The
the
phone
screen?
thinks headphones
Before
are
taking your
connected
phone
even
to a
though
repair
there's nothing
shop,
plugged in.
try the method
Because of
shown
that,
in this video.
you may have no
This
sound from
problem
the
can
speaker,
sometimes appear
and the
because
volume
the phone
controls
gets stuck in
might not work
headphone
properly.
mode.
Don't
Follow
worry,
each step
I'll show
carefully,
you several
and by
ways
the
to
end,
fix
your
this
normal
problem.
speaker
Let's get
audio
started.
should be
The
working
first
again,
method is
and
the
the
simplest
headphone
one,
symbol
but
should
it
be
works
gone.
surprisingly often. Turn your phone off completely. Take a pair of headphones and plug them into the headphone jack. Then unplug them. Repeat this about 10 times. In many cases, the phone will recognize that the headphones are no longer connected, and the problem will disappear. The second method is to clean the headphone jack. Take a cotton swab or a toothpick with a small piece of cotton on the end. Carefully clean the headphone ports at the bottom of the phone. Dust, pocket lint, and other debris can build up inside. The phone may think a headphone plug is still inserted when it's actually detecting dirt. You can also blow gently into the port, but avoid using a vacuum cleaner. The third method is to restart the phone. Press and hold the power button, then select Restart. Sometimes a simple reboot is enough to clear the glitch. The fourth method is to install the Disable Headphone app from the Google Play Store. This app can force the audio output back to the phone's speaker, even if the device remains stuck in headphone mode. Open the app, select Speaker, and then test the sound. And finally, the last method, if the problem started after rain, moisture exposure, or after unplugging headphones at an unusual angle, turn the phone off completely. Take a hairdryer set to warm air, not hot air, and gently blow into the headphone jack for about 1 minute. Be careful not to use high heat, as it may damage the plastic components. Once the moisture dries out, the problem may go away. If none of these methods work, the headphone jack may be physically damaged. In that case, you'll likely need professional repair service. The contacts inside the ports may be shorted, damaged, or disconnected from the board. Thanks for watching, and good luck fixing your Samsung A05.